Reading binary options trading charts is a critical skill for traders who want to make informed and profitable decisions, as these charts offer insights into price movements, market trends, and trading opportunities. The first step in understanding these charts is to familiarize yourself with their basic components: time frames, price levels, and chart types. Among the different chart types, line, bar, and candlestick charts are the most widely used in binary options trading because they display detailed information about the market, such as the opening, closing, high and low prices for specific time periods. Learning common candlestick patterns, such as dojis, hammers, and engulfing patterns, can help traders identify potential reversals or trend continuations. Additionally, incorporating technical indicators enhances chart analysis. For example, moving averages, MAs, are used to smooth out price fluctuations and highlight the overall trend direction, while the Relative Strength Index, RSI, helps identify overbought or oversold conditions, indicating when prices may reverse. Bollinger Bands are another essential tool, measuring market volatility by showing price levels relative to a moving average and helping traders identify potential breakouts or consolidations. Support and resistance levels, key price zones where the market typically reverses or pauses, are also vital for timing entry and exit points. Choosing the right time frame is equally important and depends on your trading style. For instance, traders focusing on short-term trades often use 1-minute or 5-minute charts to spot rapid movements, while those aiming for longer-term trades may prefer 1-hour or daily charts to capture broader trends. Using multiple time frames provides a more comprehensive view of the market, allowing you to confirm short-term trends within a larger context. Beyond technical analysis, incorporating fundamental factors like economic reports, geopolitical events, or company earnings can add depth to your chart reading. Such events often cause sharp price movements that traders can capitalize on. Practicing on a demo account is an excellent way to refine your skills without risking real money. In a demo environment, you can experiment with different indicators, practice spotting chart patterns, and understand how various market conditions affect price behavior. It's crucial to avoid overloading your charts with too many indicators, as this can create confusion. Instead, focus on a few reliable tools that align with your trading strategy. Keeping a trading journal is another valuable practice, enabling you to track your trades, review past performance, and identify what works best in specific scenarios. By consistently analyzing charts, adapting your strategies, and learning from your experiences, you can enhance your decision-making and improve your chances of success in the dynamic and competitive field of binary options trading. Mastering chart reading not only builds confidence, but also equips you with the knowledge needed to navigate the markets effectively.